Happy holidays, my dear viewers, and advance Happy New Year. Well, I hope you're all having a wonderful time. So if you're new here, I'm Isang and welcome back to Write and Learn with Isang. Well, today we're going to talk about something that's perfect for anyone interested teaching English online in Native Camp. Now, full disclosure, I don't actually teach at Native Camp myself, but I've done my research and dug into the application process, and I'm here to share everything I've learned with you. So, whether you're a seasoned teacher or just getting started in the online teaching world, I've got all the details, tips, and step by step guidance to help you with your application. So, grab a snack, relax, and let's dive in. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is Native Camp? Native Camp is an online English teaching platform that connects English-speaking tutors with students from all over the world, but primarily from Japan and a few other countries like Taiwan and Thailand. So these students range from children to adults, and many of them are professionals who are looking to improve their English skills for work or to prepare for English proficiency tests like TOEIC. So one of the best things about Native Camp is that you don't need to prepare or buy teaching materials because they provide pre-made lesson plans, textbooks, and a learning kit for each course. So you can focus on teaching rather than spending hours creating lesson materials. Now, the platform offers a wide variety of lessons, including grammar, conversational English, and even specialized lessons like Kids English and TOEIC preparation. Native Camp offers a flexible schedule where you can teach whenever you have time. So you can even accept last minute bookings, which is a great way to maximize your earning potential. Now that you know what Native Camp is, let's talk about the step-by-step application process. And this is really important, especially for those of you who are excited to get started but want to know exactly what you need to do. Here's how it goes. First things first, go to Native Camp's website and register with your email address. This is where you'll start your application. Once you've registered, you'll need to fill out your personal information, and this includes your name, contact details, and a short introduction. You'll also need to upload a photo and a self-introduction video. So the video is where you showcase your personality and teaching style. So don't worry if you're nervous, just be yourself. Now, in your self-introduction video, speak clearly, smile, and explain why you want to teach English. So, show the students that you're friendly and approachable. The next step is the English proficiency test, which is a multiple choice test focused on grammar, and you'll need to score at least 70% to pass. Now, study basic grammar concepts such as verb tenses, subject-verb agreement, and sentence structure. And time yourself when practicing to get used to the pace of the test. After passing the English proficiency test, you'll need to pass an environment check. And this step is to ensure that you have the necessary equipment to teach. And you need to have a good quality headset, a working webcam, and a stable internet connection. But before starting the check, test everything, like your internet speed, the audio, and video quality. Make sure your workspace is quiet, well lit, and free of distractions. This will help you pass the check with ease. Now, once you pass the environment check, you'll need to complete the self-learning program. And this program will guide you through how to use the Native Camp system and teach effectively on their platform. Now, take this program seriously, as it will help you get familiar with their teaching methods, lesson materials, and expectations. So it's a great way to make sure you're prepared before jumping into lessons with students. Again, read and study the materials carefully in order to take and pass the demo lesson. Next up is the demo lesson. You'll be provided with lesson materials from the learning kit. So take time to study the materials and get comfortable with the lesson flow. Because during the demo, you'll be evaluated on your teaching ability, communication skills, and enthusiasm. Now, when teaching the demo lesson, use simple language, speak clearly, and always ask your evaluator if they're following along. Now, this shows that you care about their learning experience. After completing the demo and pass, you'll need to finalize your registration. So this involves uploading your documents such as ID, educational background, and etc. for verification. And once this is done, you'll be officially a Native Camp tutor. Now, you have to double check your documents before uploading them to avoid delays. Once everything is completed, you're good to go. You're now an official English-speaking conversation partner at Native Camp. Congratulations! So you can start teaching right away. You'll have access to the teaching materials and be able to accept regular and sudden classes. Now, you might be asking, why should I teach at Native Camp? Well, let me tell you about the perks that Native Camp's teachers are proud of. They have flexible working hours. They can teach whenever they want, even during late nights or weekends. No need for lesson preparation because Native Camp provides all the materials, just like I mentioned earlier, so they just need to teach. Diverse student base. From children to professionals, they get to meet people from different walks of life. Instant feedback. After each lesson, students can rate them and they'll get instant feedback to help them improve. It's also worth noting that Native Camp pays on time and offers competitive pay. So the more classes they teach, the more they earn. Now, stay consistent and engaging with your students because they can lead to better ratings and more bookings and even higher earnings. And that's it, my dear viewers. That's the complete application process for Native Camp. So I hope this breakdown helps you feel confident about applying. And it's a great platform for anyone looking to teach English online. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe to Write and Learn with Isan. As always, happy holidays and advance Happy New Year! Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!